So my clothing rack just broke.
I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to film this video for the past week. I have to get back into routine with doing these, but I miss doing them so much, and like they honestly help me keep my life on track too. I can't believe we're in Q2 of 2024. It's just insane. I have to update you guys on so much. If you watched my last planning video, I explained that this year I really wanted it to be the year where I say yes to things. Me saying yes, me putting myself out there more. I got water today. Top accomplishments, I would say pushing myself out of my comfort zone, okay? I started a new job, but in this job market, honey, it's been a struggle, so it's part-time. I actually need to go in today, so. I guess another accomplishment would just be like posting again on social media, like trying to become consistent. I don't want to overdo it because I feel like once I start posting again, I go super hard and then I burn out. I'm trying to find that balance where I can stay consistent. I just want to start launching like digital products because my goal really for this year is to build passive income for myself. Just because like I don't want to be reliant on a job. I don't want to be reliant on social media solely. We had a very eventful March. I had a great time. First, I went to my cousin's birthday party, my baby cousin's birthday party. That was nice to see family. Yeah, I did brunch with some friends. That was nice. I went to Tyler's album release party, y'all, with YouTube shorts. If you guys follow me on like TikTok or you see my short, then you've seen like the event. I think TikTok has the full video though. It was such a great experience. Like I was so nervous to go. I didn't know who was gonna be there. We weren't allowed to bring a +1. I got to meet like so many creators that I've been following. No name. Michael was there, Kai Sinat, obviously Tyler. Like it was crazy, and like everyone was really sweet. And another thing we did, we went to Vegas. That trip was okay. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't like my best trip, but I was happy to be in Vegas again because last time I went I was sick. So but this trip I was just tired. Like every day I was tired. One of the highlights of the trip for me was going to Red Rock Canyon. That was beautiful. And then also going to luxury house tours. I can only find one, but I love whenever I go somewhere, especially to a new city, I love to go on a luxury open house tour. They know like I'm not here to buy the house, honey. One day though, one day. Some habits that I didn't do. I lost my Duolingo streak. Okay, I was like at 124 days and I lost it on the Vegas trip. I had a mental breakdown, low key. Anyway. Q1 for me is normally just about getting back on track, like getting back into routine, taking a break from the crazy year and getting things back in order, resting. So nothing too crazy, but Q2 is the springtime, so I do want to turn up a little bit, but still prioritizing my peace though. So let's see some of these things I might need to move because it's like 14 things. It's a lot. I'm gonna pick 3 out of these things that I'm really gonna focus on, so let's do that. And basically if you have trouble like picking things, you can do an audit, which I forgot to do, but you can do an audit, a life audit, and it's basically ranking like from 1 to 5, 1 to 10, whatever, different areas in your life. So how are you financially? Rank it 1 to 10. How are you with your relationships? Whatever is the lowest ranking, I would choose goals that I want to focus on for the quarter based on that. The goals I want to focus on reach 20K now. The last month, last quarter I put 15K, but I'm at 11 right now, so we didn't reach that, but I want to aim higher. And then here I'll put the strategies. So I already know one strategy is to post weekly on Saturdays. Another strategy is to repost TikToks on shorts. Goal number 2 is to create an online YouTube course. You guys blew my how I edit my YouTube videos video up. Like, thank you. Strategies, oh my goodness, I need to come up with series. And lastly, this is kind of like you can't really track it, you know what I mean, but build self-esteem and discipline. The more times you let yourself down, I feel like the lower your confidence gets. So I just want to build up that confidence again, just in general. Like it's a journey. It's never like you do it one time and you're there. Reading the Bible or doing devotionals, if I can find a nice devotional book, and then building up that discipline. How can we do that? Discipline with posting on time. I want to build discipline with how I eat, going to the gym. This is kind of what I want to focus on for the next 3 months. I still have all these other goals I want to complete, but I have to figure out how we can fit those in. And then I'm gonna go in here and add like all the different tactics and everything like that a little bit later. So we're taking baby steps, you know what I mean? So that's the goals for quarter 2. Some of my favorites. It's not that much, honestly. I've been bumping Tyla's whole album. It's so good. My favorite song from her album is Number One. Then Ariana Grande, my girl. Love her whole album too. Favorite songs probably by Don't Break Up Again, and then both of those albums I listen to straight out. Don't skip. Oh, Bryson Tiller just released his album too. I forgot. I'm gonna be listening to that. The movies I watched The Hunger Games. I forgot what it's called, like the Songbirds. Basically, it was like the upbringing of the Hunger Games and stuff. I watched it on the plane when we went to Vegas. It was actually really good. Like, I don't know why I didn't watch it when it came out. It was good. And I'm a big Hunger Games fan, so, you know, that's probably why I enjoyed it. TV shows, American Horror Story's back on. It's getting really weird. I really don't have that many shows I'm watching right now. So if you guys have any show recommendations or anything, let me know, because I really don't be watching that many shows right now. It's hard to find good shows. Books, you guys already know I'm reading Malibu Rising. Still need to finish that. I'm reading 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Really old. Audiobook is kind of boring, but the tips in there are just like really good. And then I'm also reading I Will Teach You to Be Rich audiobook. Also really good. Like, I feel so much better about my finances after reading that. The advice in there is amazing, and I very much recommend reading that if you want to be rich. I mean, it's in the title. If you stay to the end, leave me the flower emoji, because spring is coming up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow my other social medias. Love you, and I will see you in my next video.